Hey people, see, of late I've begun doing this whole meditation and this breathing exercise as soon as I wake up, and that has come to give me a certain glow to the skin, which is you need to really experience it to know the power of pranayama or breathing or whatever. So really, so that's what there's this other show called Made in Mexico, which is on Netflix, and it is about life in the these Mexican socialites, so it's quite interesting, and they show us how they are shooting that documentary also. It's a reality TV, but it is quite interesting, and it's on Netflix. And the original version you can watch it in Spanish, but obviously most of us prefer to watch it in English with English subtitles. So, anyway, it's 7 in the morning while I'm recording all this, but I had to just make this video. And now, I am now getting into my car and driving to where I stay, which is like I might as well drive to Bangalore because it's so far where I stay. So, I'm in I'm in Sikandrabad right now, so now I'll be traveling. So really, people, but and it I hope it doesn't start raining. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.